In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna, a service that helps you manage your shopping expenses more flexibly by allowing you to pay in 4 easy installments. First things first, let's begin by heading over to the Klarna website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Klarna. Once you're on the site, take a moment to glance over the homepage to get familiar with its sleek layout that houses a wealth of shopping possibilities. Now, to truly dive into what Klarna has to offer, click on the Discover Klarna option. This link takes you to an impressive showcase of what makes Klarna a favorite for many online shoppers. From streamlined payments to seamless integrations with many online stores, it's really worth exploring what it can do for you. Next, you will click on the Shop section. Here you can start exploring the vast array of online shops that partner with Klarna, offering you the convenience of spreading your payments into manageable chunks. This means you aren't tied down to hefty payments at checkout. Instead, you have the luxury of paying over time. Remember to browse through and see what catches your eye. Klarna is all about adding freedom to your shopping. After familiarizing yourself with the shopping section, if you ever run into any questions or uncertainties, don't hesitate to reach out through the customer service option. This provides access to Klarna's support team, who are eager to assist you in ensuring your experience is as smooth as possible. They're there to help with anything from account issues to detailed questions about transactions. To fully utilize Klarna's features, you'll want to sign in. Click on the Sign In button and follow the prompts to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so by providing some basic details. This step is crucial as it allows you to track your purchases and manage your payment schedule directly within Klarna's system. Feeling curious about a particular product or retailer? Use the handy search function, which lets you quickly find what you're looking for among Klarna's numerous partner merchants. You can enjoy using Klarna at many of your favorite online stores, not limiting yourself to just a few select sites. You might be wondering, why even use Klarna? Well, Klarna gives you the flexibility to pay over time without the burden of interest or fees, as long as you pay on time. Additionally, it often has special offers and deals which can make shopping even more rewarding. With Klarna, you can also enjoy paying at big retailers like Walmart, and rest assured that many shoppers love the convenience and flexibility it provides. Whether you're seeking a new accessory or planning a large purchase, Klarna lets you spread the cost over time, making your shopping experience convenient and stress-free. Moreover, Klarna prioritizes data protection rigorously so your information is safe when you shop. Make sure to download the Klarna app to shop smarter everywhere so you can easily manage your purchases and payments all in one place. Now that you're equipped with Klarna know-how, enjoy the freedom of smarter shopping.